Hey yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm back again. We are back again. Yeah, we were back again with a sgidongo type vibe. Yeah, but here I'm gonna change up things. Yeah, I didn't finish the overall beat. I wanted to move on with you guys. I just saved it and went to sleep. Then today started with that enquiries. So let's get into it. I started with like loops, just a bunch of loops. A bunch of loops, like a bunch. Yeah, just a bunch of loops. I used a lot of loops here. Let's move over to the side. So I played around with this FX type of percussion. I don't know what it's called, but it's an FX, but it's percussion, so I don't know. So yeah, I played around with it. I chopped it. I also added this. More percussions. Just added more percussions. And just a simple pad. So here I started with a bass, bass. Okay, before the bass, the shaker, shaker. Obviously, you gotta have a shaker in Amapiano. If you don't have a shaker, then I don't know. It's probably not Amapiano. Yeah, a shaker, just a simple shaker. Nothing special, just a simple shaker. Then I cut this box. Yeah, so I just made a simple bass, just going with the flow, just moving with that flow, But that's gidongo longo flongo. That's gidongo longo flongo longo. Yeah, so let's hear the overall. If you don't know by now, I like doubling the shakers. It's just the same. No, it's the shaker 14. I introduced the shaker 14. Okay, yeah. But I love a lot of shakers on my songs. Like the shaker gives it that shaky feel. I don't know, is that a thing? But it gives it that shaky thing, you know. Yeah, so I like putting a lot of shakers. Then I used another sound. This is like you barely hear it. La diti le tsa mokgwa di phela di jam aga la di kitse ona la le diti by now. Yeah, so I used this plugin Anna. This is a very underrated plugin. If you know, you know. Yeah, so I just added that. I think that's what I just added that. Didn't really do too much on this one, but I'm gonna add along as the tutorial goes on. But let's hear where it's currently at. And I forgot these. Okay, yeah, I forgot the boxes. Also in sgidongo, there's a lot of percussions going on. Like you gotta add a lot of percussions. Like the more percussions gives it that more sgidongo. Cause if you realize sgidongo doesn't have a lot of elements. It's just one like chord, then a bass, then one synth. Like it's not a lot going on. But the percussion part, there's a lot of you can go like up to 50 percussions. Like every section has a different percussion part. Like the percussion changes, you know, progression. So yeah, I added percussions. Yeah, so then I added the leads. It's the very same Anna, the Anna, underrated Anna. This plugin is very underrated, guys. Like this is very underrated. If you know, you know. Yeah, so I added that, and I added like more boxes. I forgot these percussions. I forgot them. But as I said, there's a lot of percussions going on in this song. Like, but it's not things you would notice off the bat. But there's a lot of percussions going on. You know, even these congas. You know, Let me just play the percussions only. Okay, and the boxes and the shake. Let me play the whole drum section. As you can hear, there's a lot going on with the percussions and, you know. So then I added another bass. So here I just added this loop. This, I don't know, get it whippy or get it.
Remember that. Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
You know. Yeah, so that's about it. But let me make some adjustments now.